Let's do some verb juggling and accelerate your fluency. Verkaufen is to sell. Verkaufen, to sell. How would you say I sell? Ich verkaufe. How would you say I sell my car? Ich verkaufe mein Auto. How would you say I sell my house? Ich verkaufe mein Haus. How would you say I sell my computer? Ich verkaufe meinen Computer. You see, meinen Computer. Verkaufen is an accusative verb. It triggers accusative endings and articles. So the masculine der Computer becomes an accusative den Computer with an en. So we say ich verkaufe meinen Computer. How would you say I sell a computer? Ich verkaufe einen Computer. How would you say I sell the computer? Ich verkaufe den Computer. How would you say I sell your computer? Ich verkaufe deinen Computer. How would you say I sell her computer? Ich verkaufe ihren Computer. You see, ihren, deinen, always the same ending, en, because it's masculine accusative. And you see, we're using the possessive articles, your computer, her computer. How would you say, I sell his computer? Ich verkaufe seinen Computer. How would you say, why do you sell your car? Warum verkaufst du deinen Computer? How would you say, why do you, sir, sell your car? Warum verkaufen Sie Ihren Computer? Ihren, you remember, your car, sir, Ihren. It's even written with a capital letter because you refer to you, sir, your car, sir, Ihren Computer. How would you say, why do you sell your car? Warum verkaufst du dein Auto? How would you say, why do you, sir, sell your car, sir? Warum verkaufen Sie Ihr Auto? Here, Ihr Auto without ending because it's das Auto. Neuter, an accusative, has no ending. Dein Auto, Ihr Auto, sein Auto, his car. How would you say, why do you sell his car? Warum verkaufst du sein Auto? How would you say, I need money, that's why I sell the car? Ich brauche Geld, deshalb verkaufe ich das Auto. You see, deshalb verkaufe ich das Auto. That's why sell I the car. Deshalb is at position 1, the verb follows. Deshalb verkaufe, that's why sell. Deshalb verkaufe ich, that's why sell I the car. Deshalb verkaufe ich das Auto. How would you say, I need money, that's why I sell his car? Ich brauche Geld, deshalb verkaufe ich sein Auto. How would you say, I need money, that's why I sell her car? Ich brauche Geld, deshalb verkaufe ich ihr Auto. How would you say, I need money, that's why I sell your car, sir? Ich brauche Geld, deshalb verkaufe ich Ihr Auto. You see, Ihr is valid for her car, but also for your car, sir. So the polite form of saying you sir. Ihr Auto. The difference, for you, sir, it's written with a capital letter. Ihr, with a capital I. How would you say, I have no money, that's why I sell my car? Ich habe kein Geld, deshalb verkaufe ich mein Auto. How would you say, I have sold in the past? Ich habe verkauft. You see, verkauft is the participle to build the past. There's no GE. Why? Because verkaufen is an unseparable verb. Ver is an unseparable prefix. So there's no space to put in the GE. Verkauft, sold. How would you say, I've sold the car? Ich habe das Auto verkauft. How would you say, when have you sold the car? Wann hast du das Auto verkauft? How would you say, when have you sold his car? Wann hast du sein Auto verkauft? How would you say, when have you sold her car? Wann hast du ihr Auto verkauft? How would you say, when have you sold her computer? Wann hast du ihren Computer verkauft? You remember, now we have to add en, ihren Computer, because computer is masculine. Accusative masculine, en. We have to add the en ending. Ihren Computer. How would you say, when have you sold his computer? Wann hast du seinen Computer verkauft? Great! Next time we'll go through the verb einkaufen, to buy or to go shopping. We had before kaufen, now we're covering einkaufen, to buy or to go shopping. Einkaufen. Like when you say, I go shopping in the supermarket. So here's what I want you to do now. Take this verb now and juggle it around. Build just 3 simple sentences, saying them out loud. Just 3 simple sentences. This will take you just 1 minute. In the next episode, you'll hear my take on this verb. So talk to you soon. Bis bald. Are you a busy professional who neither have the time, nor the patience, nor the energy to attend traditional language school classes at night or weekends? Then you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below and get my free German podcast course that will help you boost your confidence in speaking in less than 3 months, spending just 10 minutes a day while commuting to work.